traffic to cause ala moto ni na travel na kutukwa no.
Just imagine what these people is doing in our place. Imagine what they are doing in our home, in our country home. They have left Soka Road. Now they have come to Awugu Road. Maybe it is becoming hotter for them for that on Soka Road. Now they have come to our place. This is Ituku Enugu. Ituku Enugu. I can't believe this. I can't just believe this.
Okay, can do it.
Nende kidnapper me no zabudo. Uzi swawa nende kidnapper me uzi swawa. Kidnappers. Yeah, me uzi swawa. 3 casualties, 1 dead. Before you come about, no one casualty. See the way na fair. See the way na fair. Hi. God. Everybody. Only be one come Kenya ma target Kenya. Ki ha wicked in that day. Ha na me ha be driver he be when doors about. Look at.
Umunne mekene m unu. Obi adoro m mma. Asina ife ọkụkụ ma mmiri achụ dị ezigbo mkpa. And asina onye ọkụ na-agba na ya adachi oke. Ebe a m nọ, obi adoro m mma. Kedu ka mmadụ ga-esi mụrụ anya ncha na-abịa n'anya n'ime mmiri a na-eme ọ dị eme. Ama m na a lot of you amara onye mbụ. A lot of our people amara onye mbụ. Eji ọkwa m ụjọ wee too. Eji ọm ụjọ wee too cha. Amụshiri m ike. Yotago. Ihe nji ekwu okwu a bụ na ine anya kịta na afụ ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị. Ine anya na efu ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị. Ka ewepụgodo Enugu steeti ofu ebe kwugodo maka olutego ọgwụ na. Kedu ihe nwana na-ekwu maka ya? Fulani Herdsmen, kidnappers in our own domain, in our own communities. Ọ bụrụ ọzọkwa na express, our own communities ka ọ na-emezi. Omego n'ugwu eme ma ọ bụ na ịmarọ. Omego n'Ituku ma ọ bụ na ịmarọ. Wee mee n'Isuawa na-eme na Agbodo. A lot of things nnuguru because of nke a mere nya. This morning. A lot of things nnuguru anọ na ntị ma because of nke a mere. And if ndị mmadụ na-asị, God will help us. Government should come to our rescue. I laugh. Umunnem, we are the ones to come to our own rescue, beyond the government. We need to rise up. There is nobody that you are waiting for. It is you and I that should rise up and challenge our situation. Yes. See, when we do this Awugu Connect TV, I want to say no. Here I brought a content creation page. Here I brought a page for content. Here I brought a page for us to reason, for us to come together and achieve something great. And you come a million or both. You got to go. I go ahead. I go more. Ndi mamam. I'm a content creator. I have thousands of followers in my other pages. Do you understand? I am currently the ambassador of your favorite bread, Love Bite Bread. Have been with them since 2014. They renewed my contract this 2015. So I am not hungry. I live in Lagos. I live in Lekki. I am doing well. For me to come down to Awugu for this project is because of the burning desire in me. Ụmụnne m, achọrọ m ka be anyị dị ka be ndị ọzọ. Maka na abụ onwe ka o si afịa alụ, ụmụnne tikọ isi ọnụ ọmịta mkpụrụ. That is what I want. I discovered that is what is lacking in our place. Ndị be anyị, we are not together. We can emecha meeting dị iche iche, which are group dị iche, but I have an umbrella page that protects and unites all of us like other communities. So this Awugu Connect TV is like a mouthpiece for us. It's like a common ground for every one of us from Awugu. So what am I trying to say? I am trying to say that we need to stop crying and act. We need to come together. If it's going to cost me forfeiting my content creating stuff, I can do it for us to tackle this insecurity head on. We know America, we know UK, we know Europe, South Africa, ebe ọbụla ị nọgodi, ịnọcha ebe ahụ, ị ga-anata. So, asịkwana na ọgbasara gị. I know a lot of our people who love coming home, who love home, but because of insecurity. A na-ekwu insecurity ndị dịgasị na ebe ndị ọzọ bịazie na be anyị. So biko na ụmụnne m, ọ bụ na unu chọrọ for me to give up my life and give up my comfort and give up anything that I hold so dear to champion this insecurity issue, I'm ready. Yes, I am ready. When I say I'm ready, I mean it. If you people will support me, if you people will sponsor me, we have men in Awugu. We have men all in Enugu. All it takes is for them to come together. Ndị ji ego ewote, ndị nwere ọnụ ewote, anyị eje na government house, anyị register security outfit. Ọ bụrụkwa ya a na-emegasịla na our community as not security na abụrụ na abalị alọbụla. I will champion that security outfits. I will train men of like minds, men nwere zeal to protect our communities from various communities. I can have nothing less than 50,000 every month. Yes. These men will be trained by me. Monafa will train together. It will be very, very attractive that every community in Awugu that is participating in this contribution of this money now, men will come from their community. Their community will give us land where we'll be training. This will happen in every community support. Then we'll mobilize. We will make sure that we chase Fulani Herdsmen out of our communities. Now on the police order, all these things. Yeah, but once government is signing all these things, with that our pump action, forget about the AK-47 Hajija. I got you for so because they are not many in number. We will chase them away from our communities. So, if you people will support this, I'm ready to give up my content or my Lagos living and come down to the village. I'll mobilize men. The Igbo in the communities need to be aware of this. Everybody, in the US, everybody, let us come together. All hands must be on deck. Onye ọbụla nwere knowledge of security, we all team up together in one accord. Within 6 months, onwe ezi ife a ga-anụ maka ndị Fulani Herdsmen in our communities.